Well, winter has hit my tropical garden. Hi, my name is Jeff. Welcome to my tropical garden. Today I would like to talk about my 3 big tips that helps me grow and fruit tropical bananas in my backyard. And I do it successfully every year. If you follow these tips, this should put you on your way to being able to do the same. But first, let's take a little look-see at my poor bananas who's suffering in this chilly weather. I doubt we're going to get above 50. As a matter of fact, I think we're probably 46 degrees right now. Take a look at this clump of bananas. It's turning yellow. We've got some yellow leaves. They're going dormant, and that's what you would expect a tree to do in the Central Valley of California. Go dormant. Even tropical plants do. And bananas being a tropical plant, they're going dormant, and you see that they've stopped taking nutrients in, and that's causing them to yellow. It does have a little bit of frost damage in some spots. I think we've had a couple of temperatures that have dipped just below 32 up higher up. But yeah, I wanted to discuss my 3 tips to growing these guys and how I fruit. A lot of people go, Jeff, how the heck do you get these things to grow? They walk into my backyard and they're just blown away. They say, I don't see anybody else growing these fruiting bananas in our area. How do you do it? Well, I have 3 tips, and I'm going to count them off one by one. Number 1, choose a hardy variety of banana. Usually that's not the type that you would find in the big box stores. Those are usually a Cavendish variety or the like, and they just die every winter. You want to choose a hardy variety. Some of the hardier varieties are ice cream, Bluego, Orinoco, Goldfinger. These I've had success to a varying degree in my backyard, and those are the best ones to try if you want to give it a go. Like I say, the ice cream and the Orinoco, every year they would fruit whenever I was experimenting with those varieties. This variety that I have here, I don't know what the variety is, but it's also very hardy, and so yeah, it works for me. The number 2 thing tip that I would suggest is when you plant these things, you take a look. Number 1, I plant them slightly raised off the ground because you want to plant them in good drained soil. Sandy soil is okay as long as you have about a 4 or 5 inch layer of composted material. That you wanted the composted material. They love composted, rich the top 3 inches, top 4 or 5 inches, really rich soil on the top, and it has to be well drained. You want to put about per plant, you want to put about a cup of 10-10-10 or citrus and avocado food around each plant, worked in and watered in really well, so that they are somewhat heavy feeders in order to get them to fruit at least. So yeah, you want to do that. And the other tip that I had. I wanted to make sure that you water these very good. Use a micro sprinkler. That way the water gets in deep. One of the other big things that I see people doing that's a big mistake is you want to thin the clump out. You don't want them growing like bamboo. You need to thin them out. So like for example, on this area I have, it's about 8 by 8. I have 3 main trees. I have this one, and actually bananas are not trees, they're an herb. I have this one, and then I have that one over there, and then I have their next year pup growing to them. That's all you want for this type of area. If you crowd them too much, they won't be able to take enough water and nutrients for the tree to flower and fruit successfully. So that's just it. Choose the right variety of banana. Soil conditions should be well draining with lots of compost. Use about 1 cup of 10-10-10 fertilizer in the summer while it's rapidly growing. You don't want to do that. You don't want to fertilize in the winter, or even in the spring. I would the first time I would probably use half of a cup for the first, say in April. But yeah, that's just it. And keep the clumps thinned to no more than 3 trunks per clump. And those are my 3 secrets to my success. My name is Jeff. If you like this type of channel, go ahead and click the subscribe and like button. Hit the notification bell. That way you get all my videos. I grow all kinds of things. Everything from jaboticabas, mangoes, guavas, long-ons, and the like. Star fruit. I also grow a lot of exotic tropical palms that we'll be talking in future videos. So go ahead and click that like and subscribe button, and you have a good day.